video, we will see how to create Facebook video playlist. Organizing your videos into playlists on your Facebook page helps in easy accessibility to videos of a similar category, like wedding or birthday or a holiday travel destination. So let's see how it is done. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. First, having logged into your Facebook profile, go to your Facebook page. Next, click Creator Studio on the top menu bar of your Facebook page. If you don't find it, click Publishing Tools. Next, click Creator Studio on the left side under Tools. Since this is the first time you're accessing Creator Studio, click Get Started button. Next, click Content Library, where you will find all the videos uploaded in your Facebook page. Next, click Playlist on the left side of the page. Next, click New Playlist button on the right or Create Playlist in the bottom. In the next window, select a Facebook page where you want to add the video playlist. Next, enter a suitable title to the video playlist. I shall create a playlist with my clients' promotional videos created by me. You can enter a brief description for the playlist here and next upload a cover image to the playlist as a thumbnail. Now we can click Add Videos from Library button to add videos to the playlist. Next, select the videos from the list and click Add Videos button in the bottom. You can click Reorder and arrange the video in the playlist. And finally, click Publish Playlist. And we are done creating the video playlist successfully on our Facebook page. We can head to our Facebook page video section to confirm the playlist has been created. The video playlist is absolutely cool. Visitors to our Facebook page can click on any video and view the entire videos on the playlist. With this, we come to the end of this Facebook video playlist tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.